Most teams don't start with broken systems. They start with microservices, speed, and confidence. And for a while, it works. Teams ships faster, deployments feel independent, ownerships feel clear. But then the platform grows, more teams, more services, more dependencies. And something subtle starts to happen. Microservices don't fail because the architecture is wrong. They fail because the system around them changes a lot. Dependencies increase, some intentional, some accidental. Now, coordination grows, ownership starts to blur. Blast radius shows up in places nobody expected it to be happening. What once felt independent now depends on shared platforms, pipelines, data, and decisions. And suddenly, scaling infrastructure is hard. But scaling decision making is even harder, especially when resiliency becomes a first class concern. At this point, team often says, we need better tooling, we need stricter standards, we need more governance, and that's a common use case. Sometimes that helps, often it doesn't, because the real problem isn't the service. It's the lack of isolation at the system and team level. Now, this is the moment where microservices alone stop being enough. Not because they are bad, because they were never designed to answer one question. How do we scale teams and systems independently without stepping on each other's work? Now, that's the problem this series is really about. Follow along. Next, we'll unpack what cell based architecture actually means.